Hello everyone, welcome back to our garden space. Today we're going to learn how to grow a beautiful lotus plant right at home step by step. The lotus is a symbol of purity, peace and positivity. And the best part? You can easily grow it in a container even if you don't have a pond. Let's begin. First, choose a wide container without any drainage holes. Lotus roots grow sideways, so they need enough space to spread comfortably. Next, add heavy garden soil or clay soil to the bottom. Avoid using potting mix, it's too light and will float on water. Now, mix in a handful of organic compost or cow dung manure. This gives the plant the nutrition it needs to grow strong and healthy. Gently pour clean water into the container until about 2 to 4 inches of water covers the soil. Now, take your lotus tuber and place it carefully on the soil. Keep the growing tip above the surface. This is where the new leaves will grow. Place the container in a sunny spot that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight every day. Lotus plants love warmth and light. Change the water every 7 to 10 days and keep the level steady. In a few weeks, you'll see small leaves floating on the water, a sign your lotus is happy and growing. With time, patience and care, your lotus will bloom, bringing calmness, beauty and peace to your home. So, start today and let your garden bloom with the grace of the lotus. Thanks for watching.